So this is how you can make those TikTok emoji comments. So if you've ever seen those TikTok emojis and you want to replicate them, this is the perfect video for you. As you can see, I'm going to teach you the best ways and all the ways on how to make these comments. So you're going to want to add brackets and then a certain keyword inside them. For example, smile. Let's do smile. As you can see, it turned into this smile emoji. Now I have a whole list of these emojis that I'm going to show you right now. Here you go. As you can see, there are I think about 46 or more, but basically, if you want to use any of these, for example, this weep one, if you want to use that, make sure to make it small letters and it should be inside brackets like this smile one. So let's try weep right now. For example, bracket, weep, bracket, and there you go. As you can see, it turned into an emoji. And yeah, so I'm going to pause the video for a second so that you can go on ahead and screenshot if you want to, or if you just want to read them. So here's the first part, and here's the second part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can use these emojis. Bracket, keyword, and then bracket. Personally, I like the scream one. I'm gonna show you right now. So bracket, scream, bracket, and there you go. That is the scream emoji. If you ever want to use that, feel free to do so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.